Welcome back to Smart Circuit Engineering. Today we're building a fully functional 3D printed traffic light. It's built just like a real traffic signal, but at roughly 3% the size. Of course, we hit a snag along the way that required some careful surgery to salvage the project. Here's the inspiration: a full-size traffic light out in the real world doing its job. First up, we designed everything in CAD software. After double-checking the fit and finish, we 3D printed all the parts. We're using one of our custom circuit boards to control the light sequence for the traffic signal. By the way, if you find this project interesting, please give the video a thumbs up. Your support really helps the channel grow. And if you enjoy what we do, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future projects. To begin the assembly, we attach the lower section of the traffic light and the sidewalk to the base. After gluing the plastic backing plate to the back of the light fixture, we installed the LEDs and soldered the ground leads together. Next, we soldered a corresponding control wire to each LED. During assembly, we used CA glue to bond the plastic parts together. After routing the wires through the upper crossmember and applying glue, we aligned the parts and clamped them in a vise while they dried. Once the upper assembly was finished, we realized we'd forgotten to run a ground wire to the LEDs. Fortunately, the glue wasn't fully dry yet, so we were able to carefully disassemble the parts and solder a ground wire onto the LED leads. With the ground wire finally in place and everything reassembled, we aligned the parts and clamped them back in the vise again. With the top section finished, it was time to wire the switch and install it in the base. We fabricated connectors for the battery and LED control lines. These are designed to plug directly into the circuit board. We programmed the microcontroller to change the light color every 2 seconds. We always welcome feedback, so let us know what you think in the comments section. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And with that, our 3D printed traffic light is complete. Even with the unexpected repair, everything came together exactly as planned. Thanks for watching. On to the next project.